Hey everyone, I'm doing here exercise 9.5 second question. I have already done first question of this exercise. Let's start doing this. So the question is, use identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This identity is quite important. We have to use this identity and solve these problems here. So they have given total 7 problems. Let's start with the first question. So the first question we have x plus 3 and x plus 7. So here you have to identify what is x, what is a and b, so that we can substitute in this identity. So we know here x is x itself, and in place of a we'll write 3 and in place of b we'll write down 7. Now this will be equal to, I'm just substituting in this identity, that is RHS part of it. So this is equal to x square. So in place of x, already x is there, so we'll get x square plus a plus b. So in place of a we'll write 3, in place of b we'll write 7, then into x plus a into b, that is 3 into 7. So this is how you should do for the rest of the problems. So this is equal to x square plus 10x plus 21. That's it. This is the answer for the first question. Now we'll move on to the second one. The second one we have 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Okay, so here the x value will be 4x. In place of a we'll substitute 5, in place of b we'll put 1. So this is equal to 4x square, because x square is there, plus a plus b, so 5 plus 1 into x. In place of we have a 4x, then plus a into b, so 5 into 1. This is equal to 16x square plus when we add 5 and 1 we'll get 6, so 6 into 4x plus 5. So this is equal to 16x square plus 24x plus 5. This is the answer for the second question. Now we'll move on to the third one. So third problem we have 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1. So this is equal to, so let us identify what is x, what is a and b. So x value is again a 4x here. In place of a we have to take minus 5. Remember, because in the identity we have given plus a, but here we have a minus. So we should take a value as a minus 5, not plus 5. Similarly, b value will also be equal to minus 1. Now when you substitute in the identity, we'll get 4x square plus minus 5 plus minus 1 into 4x plus a into b, so minus 5 into minus 1. So this is equal to 16x square plus, when you add minus 5 minus 1 we'll get minus 6. So minus 6 into 4x plus minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. So this is equal to 16x square minus 24x plus 5. So this is the answer for the third problem. Now we'll move on to the next question, that is a fourth problem. So fourth problem is 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. So here we'll identify what is x. So x is same, it is 4x. In place of a we'll put plus 5, in place of b we'll put minus 1. Just take care of the signs here. So this will be equal to 4x square plus 5 plus minus 1 into 4x plus 5 into minus 1. So this is equal to 16x square plus 4 into 4x, because 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So this is equal to 16x square plus 16x minus 5. This is the answer for the fourth problem. Now we'll move on to the fifth question. So fifth problem, we have 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y. So in place of x we have 2x, in place of a we have a 5y, in place of b we have a 3y. So this is equal to 2x square plus a plus b means 5y plus 3y into 2x plus, now multiply them, 5y into 3y. So this is equal to 4x square plus, when you add 5y and 3y we'll get 8y. So 8y into 2x plus, multiply this 5y and 3y, we'll get 15y square. So this is equal to 4x square plus 16xy plus 15y square. That's it. This is the answer for the fifth question. Now we'll move on to the sixth one. Now the sixth problem is 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. So you can just pause the video and then just check it out, what is x value, what is b value and a value here, and then you can start the video and start solving along with me. So here x value will be 2a square, I hope you are correct here, and the a value will be plus 9 and b value will be plus 5. Now we'll substitute this, so we'll get 2a square and again square we'll get. So in place of x we have written 2a square and it's square again, plus, now we'll add 9 and 5, so 9 plus 5 into 2a square plus 9 into 5. So this is equal to 4a square, 4a to the power 4, I'm sorry, we have a square again, so square and again power square will be, just power will add up, we'll get 4. So 4a to the power 4 and 9 plus 5 is 14, so 14 into 2a square plus 45. Again we'll solve this, we'll get 4a to the power 4 plus 14 multiplied by 2 is 28, so 28a square plus 45. So this is the answer for the sixth question. Now we're left with the last one, seventh problem. Let's start doing this. Okay, so in seventh problem we have, it's something interesting, we have xyz minus 4 and xyz minus 2. So just be careful here, the x value will be complete xyz and a value will be minus 4 and b value will be minus 2. Just be careful with the signs again. So this is equal to xyz whole square plus, now add up this a and b, we'll get minus 4 plus minus 2 into xyz plus, now multiply minus 4 and minus 2, minus 4 into minus 2. So this is equal to x square y square z square plus minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, so we'll get minus 6 xyz plus minus 4 into minus 2 is 8. So we can rewrite this. So this is equal to x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8. That's it. This is the answer for the last one, seventh problem. It's not eighth, it's seventh problem. So that's it. We have done with all the problems here. I hope you have understood how we are applying this identity to solve these problems. If you have any question anywhere in this algebraic expression, you can just leave a comment below. I'll try to make a video of it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, then subscribe and click on bell icon.